show you how to make an application of how to make a table view application. So let me show what actually a table view is. So a table view, as the name suggests, is a combination of actually rows and columns, but in this particular kind of video we'll show how to make a table view which will comprise of number of cells. So it will be somewhat be looking like for example, let's say you want to show three things. Let's say hello, intelligence, how you doing, so in particular lines. So in this kind of application I'll be showing that how you can make this application like the same application as you are able to show on your screen, you are able to see on your screen actually. So let's get started. So we'll follow the same process, as we'll go to the file option, we'll go on project, we'll create a new project for this. You have to follow the same instructions in every project you make actually. So we'll select the single view application iOS category, click on next. You'll type table view iOS IntelliRise. You'll select the language as Objective-C and click on next. After that you will click on the create option. So for this I have made a project already, so you'll be able to see the screens like this onto your screen, and make sure that you have the deployment target set and everything as being shown on the screen right now. So we'll go to the view controller. Let me tell you actually what is the difference between a data source and what is a delegate actually. We have to show three options onto a table view. So what we'll do is we'll click on view controller, select the 4-inch screen option, and we'll select table view option from here and drag and drop over here. So we'll I'll do it once again for you. I'll drag the table view option and drag the complete thing here, select the data source and attach this to this. And once this thing is over, I'll go to view controller.m file. I'll create a property called as, I'll create an array actually, which will be called as array table data, and onto that I'll initialize the array with three things, that's hello, IntelliRise, or how you doing. So these are the things which will be showing onto your screen. So I'll create the data source. So data source and delegates, it means actually data source are those functions which provides values to table view. For example, this particular thing is known as data source because it is providing the table that how many number of rows will be there in a section. A section means the columns and the rows means the complete rows in which it will be divided. So right now it will be counting as 3. So self forward index path is the main delegate of table view. So this is the particular delegate. Delegate are those functions which are being called automatically when their class is being initialized in iOS. So in this we have to write this particular piece of code over here, so that and over there I'm asking the cell to just enhance or just take away the value which is being stored at that particular row. For example, at first time index path.row will be 0, so it will be getting the value of hello, second time IntelliRise, and third time how you doing. So make sure you have this complete code over your desktop. So when we'll run the application, we'll be able to see actually the hello, IntelliRise, how you doing written over screen. I selected the iPhone 5 target on the simulator. So it's showing hello, IntelliRise, how you doing. So this was all from my side. Stay tuned with intellion.biz and